What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing another parts unboxing video. Today it's actually going to be the JLT oil catch can for the Ram TRX. Got it right here. Haven't unboxed it yet. This is exactly how it comes shipped. This is not a paid promotion video. I paid for this myself. So this is going to be 100% unbiased opinion. We're not going to be installing it today. Like I said, this is just an unboxing video. I like doing these videos so you guys see exactly what you're paying for. You get to see exactly how the box comes, see exactly how everything is shipped. So I'm going to stop talking. We're going to get this box open. So like I was mentioning, guys, JLT oil catch can for the Ram 1500 TRX. You can see right up there all the information. I think that's the part number right there. 3071P-B, packaged on 9/13/21. This is the JLT 3.0 oil separator, passenger side, black anodized for the 2021 Ram TRX. If you can read that yourself. If not, I just did it for you.
Go ahead, get this opened up. You did a good job taking this. Do it.
This is how it comes shipped. Got an invoice over here. Got some instructions. That is great. I always like when companies share or print out an instruction. It doesn't really take much effort to print something out and just throw it into the box. This is, in my opinion, I'm old school. I like having, paper instructions in front of me while I'm getting it done. Very nice. So in here, just some more packing paper, and then get this out of the way. Oh, nice. We got the anodized cap over here. This is the bracket, and then we have everything already nice and installed onto the can. So look at that. This is a beautiful catch can, I gotta say. Very good, quality lines here. All-purpose lines, look at that, all nice. You got these nice stock-like fittings, perfect. So like I said, black anodized, you can obviously see that. And then another thing I love, a decal. Not a big deal, I'm not gonna put that on my truck, but I love when companies throw a decal because I can stick it on my workbench. A+ for throwing in a decal, another A+ for including the instructions, and A+ on just having an overall quality product. Other fact I wanted to throw out there, I ordered this directly from JLT on their website. It was, I believe, $150. The shipping was free, and it was 2-day shipping. I ordered it on a Wednesday, and it was here at my house on a Friday. So for free shipping, being 2 days, A+ for that, guys. Good job. I don't know if they are, but they look exactly like the factory PCV valve, like the hose and the fittings and everything. So this should make for a super easy install. I know there's a few other install videos out there already, so you could check those out if you don't like mine. I haven't posted mine yet. I'm going to be doing an install video regardless because, obviously I need to install it. I might as well film it while I'm doing so. But yeah, just for this video, guys, just wanted to give you all just a quick little unboxing so you guys see exactly how it comes shipped if you were to order this. That way you know if any parts are missing or anything like that. This is exactly how it comes shipped. I believe it's like 150 bucks. For 150 bucks, you can't go wrong. Definitely get one of these. I had one of these on my Rebel, and you guys would not believe how much oil is actually, blown back and how much oil this thing actually collects. So I'm pretty sure for the TRX, it's gonna be the same. Definitely just make the small investment, pick up one of these things, you won't regret it. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, it's just gonna be a quick unboxing video. I'm gonna be doing these for you as parts come in for the TRX, so you guys know exactly what you're buying. You see exactly how everything comes shipped, and you see exactly what should be included in the box, so you guys know if anything's missing or not. So if you like the TRX, you like mods, all that stuff, how about you go ahead, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button. That's always two things that I'm super appreciative of, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Later, guys.